moment we all been waiting for. Getting this thing rolled up. Alright. Well, the waves are kind of... So what we're going to do here, roll this bad boy up. We're going to cut this line right here. And we're gonna put it on this little roller right here, like so. Since I stole off of this one, since the stuff started rusting on it, I went ahead and just said I'll do this one. So what we're gonna do, once we get that joker on there, we're gonna roll it up. And for some reason these things aren't working right, so we're gonna do it this way. Because they're cheap or what, but when I tightened it up so tight that let's see if we can get around there. Yeah, tightened it up so tight that this little black thing here don't want to work too well. So I have to just put my hand inside there and do it. I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to unroll it and roll it back up later on, make it loose, so I don't have this problem next time. It's a beginner's mistake. I think it's because I got it so right now I'm so tight. I might need to turn my trolling motor on a little bit, kind of loosen it up. Hey, it could work even better doing it this way. But when I was doing it before, let's just turn the trolling motor down a little bit and turn it on. See don't want to do is catch the trolling motor. That's good enough right there. So I'm going to be hung up around that little tree up there. So we're going to be pulling ourselves back over there, which isn't that bad. Another little tree under there. Catching. Shouldn't be that hard to get off of, considering there's no hooks. All I gotta do is probably just go on one side of the tree and it'll unhook itself. Of course I say that and then nothing. There we go. Thing was working like it did the first time I bought it, man, you'd be like, wow, that's nice. Like when those right there are empty, so they should work. This one had already been tightened up and had some on it, so it makes it rougher to do. Alright, 2 more to go. I don't hear nothing about this white line, so we're gonna cut it.